In this video, we will show you how to check battery health in Android. If you have Android smartphone and want to check your battery health, okay, it can be done with very easy method, but required 1 until 3 hours times. How to do that? In here, you need to install application on Play Store called SU Battery, and you can find search in here and type on the search SU Battery, okay. After that, install this SU battery. Okay, you can see it's by Digibytes. Okay, I already test much application, but this is the works. Okay, the works and it's very legit to check our battery health. You can see the rating is also 4.7. It's almost perfect. To use or to see your battery health, just click open first your HU battery. Okay, in here there is three menu. If you see charging, discharging, health, and history. Okay, to check your battery health, okay, you can just go to the health menu. Okay, like I say, you can see here, if this application just install from your Android, it will have not estimate capacity, but because we already test the battery by charging using full charge method. In this description, you can see discharge to lower than 15% to begin a full charge measurement. Okay, so you need to do is make sure your battery is less 15, okay, less 15%. After that, you can full charge until 100%. So your estimate capacity can calculate here. After you install, the design capacity is appear, but you can set the design capacity if not accurate here. Okay, but usually the design capacity will auto detect it based on your smartphone model. For estimate capacity, it will don't have the value for the first until you doing the full charge. Okay. Also, in this application from battery health, you can also check the performance. Okay, you can see charts and screen off efficiency total. Okay, but to view your battery health, just go to this and doing like I say. Okay, don't charge your smartphone until it have 15% or less for the battery here. Then you can charge the battery until 100%. So the estimate capacity of your battery health will measurement here. Okay. Don't worry. This is very legit because the SU battery is based on the data that can accurate to check your battery health. Okay. And that's all tutorial how to check battery health in our Android smartphone. Okay. I will repeat the steps. The first is make sure your battery power is less than 15. Okay, less than 15%. Then you can charge until 100%. Don't make any cut when you charge your battery until 100%. So this is the method how you can estimate the capacity perfectly. And that's all tutorial how to check our battery health on Android smartphone. Thanks for watching.